I'd say she's sang-froid.
Radical. Fun. Cute, quirky.
Creative.
I am Mrs. Santilli, and I teach digital art, creative photography, and visual technology at Archbishop McCarthy High School. I just so happened to have this Mac lab with all of these computers and the applications that I use every day in my job. And I was like, this is a fit for me because I can teach these kids exactly, and the tools and everything were already here waiting for me. And luckily enough, Mr. Jean saw that vision too, and he hired me.
One word I can think of when I think of Miss Santilli is inspiring, because she inspires me to try my best and be creative with what I create. And the way she's impacted my life is she's definitely made me want to be more creative.
I have had a lot of creative photography students send me their photography even after they've graduated from here, or they're like, look at this photograph I took, Mrs. Santilli, and I'll be like, oh my gosh, that's the best photograph. So I think it just makes them pay attention to the world around them and notice things they didn't notice before, and recognize how easy or how hard something would have been to accomplish. A couple of things. I want them to take away that they can do anything. There's nothing that you can think of that you can't create, and that if you practice, take your time, pay attention to the details, the quality of your work will be spectacular.
The Giants come out.